Welcome to Utterback Middle School, home of the magical unicorns. Our Utterback community is one of the most loving and cohesive school communities you will find in the city of Tucson. To address the unique needs of our families living during this COVID-19 crisis, we have created an on-site, bi-weekly drive-through pantry with the help of our community partners. Full bags of groceries, toiletries, clothing, gift cards, food, and school supplies have been available to our community members. We've even created an on-site school and community food garden to address the food insecurity that exists in our community. When it comes to remote learning, our teachers have been trained on the latest interactive digital platforms and engagement strategies such as Nearpod, Avid methods, literacy-rich instruction using texts of the weeks, Padlets, and Kahoots. Art is always a priority here at Utterback as we always push it forward. It truly takes a village here to implement these effective practices to empower the students and families here at Utterback Middle School. Thank you.